Alright, I just got off the phone with my friends Ryan and Nolan, and we're going to get together here and we're going to be going to a tree farm or a tree sales place and get a Christmas tree. We're going in the Mini! Yeah! Alright, so this should be fun. We'll see how this goes. See you in a minute! And we're away! Alright, so we're now in the Mini and we are going to get a Christmas tree because it is Christmas time. So we're off to Santa's Christmas tree farm. So this should be fun.
I think we found it.
All right.
Oh God. They're cutting
Oh, they're really
trees
cutting
up.
down, aren't they? Here we go. Let's go.
Let's see what they have. Let's see what they have. I'm liking this one. I think this might be the one. What do you think there, Ryan?
Look it up. I mean, it's got a purple tag on it.
What does the purple tag mean?
Probably important stuff.
Purple tags are trader trees.
Trader trees.
Trader trees? Ah, you're the man. Oh, baby.
Oh, yeah, not too bad.
That fits perfect.
It looks smaller than I thought it was going to be. What's that?
Okay, we're going. We've now picked up the tree, as you can see from the string, and we're heading back to the house to go install the lights. Ooh, this is gonna be fun. Booyah! So we ran out of daylight yesterday, so we've now gone on to the next day, and we've just picked up some supplies, some lights. Here we go. We're gonna put them on the Mini. All right, here we are. Or maybe go under the string.
Oh, for security.
Yeah, I don't want to fly off on right now, really. So if this can cook around.
Hey, what's up, YouTube? Just doing Christmas with my friends.
Excellent.
Hit that subscribe button if you want to see this tree light up, and leave a comment, tag your friend. If you have friends that enjoy Christmas, hey, if you guys have friends that like Christmas, tag them in this video. Go ahead, smash the subscribe button, tell your friends. If your friends do Christmas, tag them in this video, and maybe you can get a free shirt of ours.
We don't have any shirts.
Thanks, Morty.
Here we go, look, we're gonna put them in.
Smash the subscribe button if you want to see this tree light up.
Alright, we're gonna light this tree up. Oh!
Oh!
Why is it flashing?
Because you got modes.
Oh.
Oh! Here, let me get the lights. Yo, what's up, bitches? City swag. Right there.
Alrighty then. That's the lights up.
The tree is ready.
Let's go, guys.
Yeah, this is actually hilarious, man. It's not too bad. Look, it even got a little bit of light dangling at the back.
Yeah,
The question still is how much all the lights are going to move as soon as we
No, they're not.
They're pretty loosey-goosey on here.
You got any zip ties?
I got zip ties, yeah. Sure.
Yeah, let's zip
Let's zip tie it
Oh,
out.
we can do some zip tie work. We can get them over there.
Great, we're gonna get some zip ties.
Oh, perfect.
Zip ties.
Let me see if you. It's really hard to find the.
Alex, do you have something to cut this with?
You don't need to find it because you can point the tie in the direction of the tree. You won't be able to see it. Well, you're on the end there.
Yeah.
I'll go get something to cut it with.
I hope you're not feeling sad. We put a Christmas tree with lights on it on this tiny ass little mini cookie.
Cool.